Yay! You make it to lesson 3. I'm so proud of you. Today's lesson is a piece of cake. We're going to learn how to say grape or grapes in Chinese. 葡萄. Please repeat after me. 葡萄葡萄葡萄 Now a little bit faster. 葡萄葡萄葡萄 Let's review what we have learned so far. Apple or apples? 苹果苹果 Banana or bananas? 香蕉香蕉 Grape or grapes? 葡萄葡萄 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit our website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.